Hello.
Hello.
How are you?
Welcome.
Thank you.
And luggage?
Yeah, we have a lot. What do they need?
Your signature, babe.
Look out on the balcony.
Beautiful. Did you put
Oh,
So here on this is just the main building that we have here, and the rest are villas.
Oh, but I'm saying, are we facing that way?
Yes, yes.
oh, that's good. We've just arrived at our hotel, and I'm so sorry, guys. We arrived at night, so we can't even see much. But it looks promising. It looks like it's gonna be a very pretty place. Like tomorrow, when we wake up and have a look at what's going on, it's looking very pretty. It's looking very luxurious too. But I guess this is the best I can do for us for tonight. And let's go and see our room.
Let me catch me saying that.
What?
I said, unfortunately, we're traveling with a YouTuber.
Unfortunately.
So here you go. You can go. Action.
There's someone here that works at the front desk as well. He's a YouTuber. He does.
He is? Oh, that's cool. That's cool.
So as I said, I'm just giving you a brief overview on some of the things that we have here on property. So next door we have the salon and also the gift shop. So if you like to do any spa services, you can always stop by.
We did want to do the dinner.
Dinner?
The setup.
Private dinner?
Yeah.
Dinner.
Oh, I had said to do it Monday. Can we switch to tomorrow? They said they needed 24-hour notice. So,
Alright, so
to
I would
tomorrow
have to
instead.
call to confirm.
Okay.
person.
But here's the thing.
Thank you.
Chaka. How do you say that? Chaka.
Chaka. We
Chaka.
were
Chaka.
Chaka. Remember,
Chaka.
we used to call it Chuka.
Because we call it Chaka. We're Africans.
Yes.
I'm sorry.
Yes.
Chaka.
Chaka.
Yes, Chaka.
Chaka ends at 6:30 p.m.
Got it? Does it?
It's an all-day
PM.
event.
Oh, 12 hours.
It's 12 hours. By the time we get back here, it's gonna be 7:30.
And
It's gonna be
it's
dark.
also already dark. Right. Keep it on Monday. Keep it on Monday. Yes. We
gonna
asked
look
for
like
Monday,
this.
so and they said to just confirm when we check in.
Yeah.
So if you could just confirm for Monday already when we
Yes,
called,
so
we
we
already
can
set up.
just
Yes.
go ahead.
I'm just saying, yeah. 'Cause
No, you're right. You're right. Girl, you have
You're
a point.
correct.
You're right.
Anyway, we cut him short. What else?
Sorry.
Right. So next, as I was saying, that for the internet space, right? So we have 2 bars on property. One is at the pool. One is down beside the restaurant on the cliff. There's also a saltwater pool down on the cliff as
I'm
well.
excited about that
So
one.
if you don't want to jump off in the ocean. Right?
Do the pools close?
When does the ocean close?
And also, when do the
Nice
pools
one.
close?
We just have the lifeguards on duty from 9 to 5.
9 to 5
Right.
p.m. Okay, and then after 5, it's like one man for themselves, but we can go.
So you'll be swimming at your
Each
own.
man for himself and God for
Okay,
us.
so I can go swimming right now?
Yes.
Okay, but
good.
it,
Not in the ocean. It's dark in there.
Not in the ocean, in the
Then
pool.
juice
In the pool.
In the pool. I just hate when I go to resorts and
least
then they
you're
tell me
wearing-
that the pool closes at 9 p.m. I'm like, what if I want to swim at midnight? Like, what you mean?
Right.
What if I want to swim at 10?
Okay, we'll go swimming.
Like, leave me alone.
Sorry, continue. We will keep continue.
We're heresies, so we do this to each other too. We cut each other off all the time, and we argue about it all the time too. It's so bad.
So we also have a blackboard there that shows you the different wellness activities that we have in each
Oh, that
place,
is so
and
cool.
they're complimentary.
Yeah, what?
Complimentary.
I heard that. I'm just like, there what? You know?
Wait, what was it?
They're right there. You can check them out.
Once you're interested, you just stop here at the front desk to sign up, right? And also for room cleaning service, because we're trying to limit the amount of person that goes in and
Contact.
out of your room. Yes, so it's done based upon request. So
Okay.
you can just dial 0 and you'll get us here at the front desk.
Okay.
We
I
won't
have
be
a
having
question.
any guests.
We are trying to figure out where we can go rent some kayaks. Do you know? Yeah.
Where?
Kayaks.
So we'd have to
For-
probably try
to go to the island.
We can try to check on the beach road to see if
I
there's
love
anyone
kayaking.
there.
Okay, so that's where we'll have to go look over there.
Yes, but I can check to see if I can find somewhere and then let you know.
I appreciate
Thank
it.
you.
I would appreciate it. Thank you so much.
Right. So, any questions?
No, that'll be all. We're gonna go to our room now and get out of your face.
Yes.
We've taken enough of your time. I love your hair, by the way.
Yes.
Okay. Alright, so I'm gonna have Jessamar take you up. I do hope
Oh.
you enjoy your stay here with
Okay.
us. Alright?
Thank you very much.
Jessamar.
Giovanni.
Yeah.
Jessamine.
Jessamine?
Jessamar.
Jessamine?
Yeah.
Okay.
Wait
I
till
wanna
we.
call him.
Oh, thank you.
You can just
This
leave them
is
here,
Chad.
we'll rotate them.
I just use it to wipe the surface. Okay, alright.
So for you,
Let me finish.
if you place them close to any electronic device or in the water, they'll deactivate. So if
Oh.
that happens, you just take them back here, alright?
Okay.
So like your phone or something?
Yeah.
I'll try my very best not to.
I'll just
can
come.
move
No,
it.
no, I'll come back for this.
Oh.
Oh, okay.
And then
Okay.
that one, that
Okay.
If you can get the brown paper bag.
What's in there, babe? Okay, thank you. Because my hands are so full. Oh, this way?
Either way.
Oh, you don't do upstairs? Oh, but going up another way. I'm sorry, are you okay to be in my video? Are you okay to be in my video? Okay, thank you. Come on, come on, come on. Oh.
And you guys have to bring these bags up.
Yes.
Do you need
Thank you.
No, that's okay.
He keeps saying it's okay.
I feel bad. I don't.
Ooh, it's nice and cool.
Okay.
Ooh.
Need more lighting?
Yeah,
Yes.
there's more.
Oh, here.
Oh, it's nice and cool. Thank goodness. Okay.
Ooh.
Beside the door.
This window.
Wow.
That is the window.
Whichever window, whichever bed.
I'm over here.
There's one over here. And out here.
Yay. Oh man, that's so pretty.
Oh, we have a. Thank you. Is that called a hammock?
Oh, I love this chair. Oh, my favorite part is this chair. Oh my god, I love
Guys,
it.
is this a hammock?
Yay! I'm gonna get in. With my fat self. Watch my big ass.
That's so cute.
I know it is.
So adorable.
Wait, I got it.
Can you imagine us having a cup of tea?
All right, this is not
Yeah,
giving.
right there.
Guys, it's not
Huh?
giving what it was supposed to give.
Are you sure? Are you ready? Are you ready to
No.
run camera?
Guys,
What?
this man brought all the stuff up. Can we see him?
Yeah, we will. We have to. Clearly.
Where's my bag?
What bag?
Whose money is that?
Unleash your bags here.
Oh man!
That looks hella
What
new
money is that?
That looks like mine.
I think that's yours.
How does money look like? Oh, it's mine. It's
Yes,
mine.
it's yours because
Ew,
that's the only
it's
thing I
mine.
lifted. Your pants.
Ah.
Because my money is.
Oh my god. Hey guys, so we're just gonna give you a tour of our room. Hey guys. You missed it. You're so happy. Tagunda, say something. Say something for the camera. Uh-huh.
Okay, that's enough.
The other triplet is in the bathroom, so excuse her for a second. Anyway, okay, let's go. What is that?
I don't know what's in here. Okay, I'm changing this. Hold that big.
Yeah. Okay.
Got in my suitcase.
And then,
We're gonna do this MTV
so
style.
we have to.
This is my suitcase. This is Lizzie's suitcase.
Yes.
They're both large enough for Lizzie to fit in them. Really, because you missed your flights, we could have fit you in here, babe. I don't know why you didn't just hop in there. Well, maybe it's because my suitcase had locked and we needed a lock.
Oh yeah, no. We
And he said he needed $120 to unlock my door.
Guys,
the trouble.
guys.
The trouble.
No,
is seen.
I think we need to do a sit down and just talk about
All
how
of us, if all
stressful.
three of us sit down.
Listen, I think we need to sit down and just talk about how stressful it was to get here.
all
was
three.
told.
If all
No,
three of us
seriously.
sit
Well, what?
down.
I almost for a second, I almost started to think like, are we not supposed to go on this trip? Like,
Yeah.
is the universe trying to make us not go because something bad
I
happened
know,
or
by force,
something?
by force, we're
Like, exactly. I was like, because I'm not understanding the
pressure was
Because it was too much
It's
like
I'm
negativity.
not, exactly. I'm
Yeah.
not understanding the negativity here. I'm not.
Yeah.
It was too much. And every turn.
You were saying I was told what?
She told me your like
Oh,
parts of your
our
story.
pressure.
Yes, real pressure. And then she told me mostly her story about with the suitcase, and I was just like,
Girl.
A few minutes before check-in. Exactly.
No, it was the confidence of the locksmith. He's like, oh yeah, I can open it. Yeah, for 100 and yeah. I was like, Zippy was you in that moment. Let me tell you, in that moment, Zippy was you.
Is that shoes for everybody before you go on with
That's
the
what I was saying.
We
I'm
said
a down
sorry.
zero.
You what?
I'm a down zero.
So we are going to go for dinner at the hotel, and this is the restaurant at the hotel. Huh? Hi. Hi. Oh, okay. Oh. Hello.
Sanitize right here for me, please.
Oh, okay.
Oh, what's that?
Sanitize right here.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so. Huh? Okay, let me just conclude on this video because we are going to sleep now. Okay, so I just thought I should just come back and just conclude on everything and say, guys, I'll tell you and show you everything tomorrow so you can see how everything looks like, because it's absolutely gorgeous. For now, we're gonna go to bed and we've got a busy day tomorrow, so I will tag you guys along. So for tonight, have a good night and I'll catch you on the next one. Good morning, guys. This is second day in Jamaica. We just woke up and we've got plans for an activity full day. Hey, and I'm just gonna show you what it is outside. This is like 5:45 in the morning.
And you're not a morning person.
Yeah, you're not a morning person, and we are up. We are up and running.
Me up. Done.
And I would like for you guys to see our views from the balcony. You coming? Say good morning to the people.
Good morning.
Takunda, come and say good morning to the people. You want to say good morning? Good morning. Good. Okay, so you guys could see the views. Oh, it's really hot.
Sorry, that wasn't supposed to
No.
happen.
Hey, I have a scene for you people.
Mm-hmm.
Are you ready to look?
Mm-hmm.
Look at this one. Wait. Are you ready?
I hope you've seen the views on outside. And so what we're gonna do, there's this thing called chuka chaka. I don't know how to pronounce it. I think it's chaka. So we got these activities lined up for the day. The company will come and pick you up early in the morning, and we're supposed to spend the whole day doing those activities, right? So they'll pick us up at 6:30, and now this is 6, right? So we're just gonna get ready, and I will try and steal some few minutes and walk down outside and show you what I was wanting to show you guys last night, because wow, the views are, it's amazing. The cliff, the pool, the restaurant, everything is just amazing. So let us get ready. If I don't manage, you just see us on the activities, and then I'll have to show you this day on another day. So okay guys, let's go.
I'm looking for a spoolie.
Huh?
You've been looking for a spoolie for the past 30 minutes.
It's just so
That's your struggle.
Complication. I'm talking to
Sugar, my brush and my brows that you have.
I have a brush in my
Oh,
mouth. Oh, babe. Oh, spoolie. You guys, who does makeup in 2 minutes?
Ask me.
You guys.
Watch me. Magic.
Me trying to blend with a dry blend.
Mine is still wet from yesterday. Is that recommended?
If I make it.
Do I care? No.
So I'm going to conveniently stop here. So the next part will start when we're ready and we're going to the activity. So be sure to have subscribed, turn on your notification button, and I will see you on the next one.
Breakfast here, do a scan. I still in my desk scan.
Yeah, maybe.
Oh, that would be nice.
I hope so. I hope I'm not coming up because that is one thing.
Automatic.